In 2015, Google launched Digital Garage, an online learning platform designed to help anyone learn digital skills and grow their career. Digital Garage offers a wide range of free courses on topics such as digital marketing, coding, data analytics, and more. These courses are taught by industry experts and are designed to be accessible to people of all skill levels. We believe that everyone should have the opportunity to learn digital skills, regardless of their background or location. Digital Garage has been a huge success, with millions of learners around the world taking advantage of the free courses. And now, Google is excited to announce that Digital Garage has expanded to offer even more courses. With 150 new courses, Digital Garage now has even more opportunities for people to learn and grow their digital skills. So whether you're a small business owner looking to improve your online presence, or someone who simply wants to learn more about the digital world, Digital Garage has something for you. Start learning today at the Google Digital Garage website.